Hi everybody. So today there's this one day show at Reflection Gallery. आज ही है ये शो. It's नवरात्रि exclusive. यहाँ पे चनिया चोलीज, ब्लाउजेस, सूट्स, किड्स वेयर और ज्वेलरी सब कुछ है. So do come. Beautiful show it is. You don't want to miss it.
So,
Hi.
your brand name?
Amrapali.
Amrapali. So yes, again chaniya choli outfit, but here you can actually curate one. So they have separate chaniya, separate blouses, sets bhi hain, and let's start from blouses. So these are few pretty ones, pura spaghetti blouses. They have quite a few range, very unique, very different. And these are all beautiful, and the range starts from 2500. 2500. Look at this. These are nice with Banarsi. Then we have pretty dupattas. Look at that. Then we have sets like this. Okay, I love this one. Very vintage and nice Banarsi pura. Then again few sets, and then here we have only chanyas. So you can curate with different dupattas.
My brand name is Euphoric. Today we have glasswork jewelry. If you want only earrings, you can pair up with any dresses and
Mix and match, with festive wear. These are again glass jewelry.
Glass jewelry. We have chokers like this.
Pretty.
Some minimal also. We have like this chunky pieces also.
You have long
Neck pieces.
Pretty.
Choker range.
Okay. These are all chokers, and these are all new Afghani pieces.
Yes.
Something like what she's wearing. Look at those. So this is the new addition. Look at that. So each piece is very different, and these are all lightweight, not that heavy. Look at that. Also very pretty. Then again, you will get big jhumka, like all statement pieces. Then these are all silver localized. Done. And we have kadas, and the brand name is Vastra. They have nice spaghetti blouses. Look at this. Different colors. Then they have the ajrak, sequins, vintage. Okay, and then you have some lovely alternects. All right. Then these are the prettiest blouse pieces. See. And we have with kachi work. Beautiful. Look at that. And then we have chanyas, full sets. These are full sets. And then we have pretty dupattas. Yes, Priyanka, which one is your favorite?
I love this orange,
Orange.
then this purple, and
Pink.
look at this green.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, it's lovely.
This is
Pink everybody has, you know, greens and purples. Everybody's, you know, looking at adding in their wardrobe.
Lovely.
Even the white is gorgeous.
Yeah. Look at this stunning piece, white and pink combination. So we're going to show you more such pieces. Hi.
Hi,
So the brand name is
Kia by Abdi. Yes. So we've got nice mull ombre chanyas. In nice vibrant colors. We have in mull also, and in muslin silk as well.
Right.
This is one of my favorite color. It's nice chocolate brown and pink.
pretty.
So we've got these. We've got some plains. We've got some monochromes. We've made sets also. You can buy separately as well.
Okay.
It's a lot of mirror work and it's all mull. The ghera is around 12 to 13 meters,
Okay.
and around 80 to 85 colors we've made in that.
Right.
We have a lot of kurtas also. Same as like a very kalidar kurtas, around 120 kalis. And this is again 5 to 6 meters. These are our premium line. This is specially meant for Navratri. It is in pure gaji and a lot of mirror and nice ornament.
This is Pooja Shah, the brand name Pooja Shah, and the best thing about them is they have pictures attached with every garment, so you get an idea how they look. This is their latest collection called Kwab. Look at these pieces. Pretty. That is so pretty. Look at that. Then we have something in tissue. That is also tissue. Beautiful pieces. Look at that. Customization हो जाएगा? Okay. And then we have shirts.
This is dupatta,
अच्छा, these are dupattas.
tissue,
Hmm.
and silk dupatta.
Beautiful.
And this is organza.
Organza.
Organza jal dupatta.
Okay. And these are shirts.
Nahi, cord set.
Cord sets. Okay.
This is cotton shirt.
Cotton shirt. So brand called Threads by Vinita. They have beautiful chanias. Look at that. Look at the range of chanias they have. The entire section is only for chania. They have something in white, hand painted. Look at this. Then we have crushed silk. Beautiful color options. Look at that. And something what she is wearing is also by Threads by Vinita. Look at that. Beautiful. So yes, the entire range of chanias. Lovely. Then we have nice blouses here. Look at that. These are all the blouses for a handwork. We have work here. These are again mirror work. Beautiful. So we have something for kids. This is Little Duds. Look at this. So we have the chania choli sets that you can wear for like weddings. Perfect. And this is Kedia style top, and that's the beautiful chania. We have color options in this. Cute. And we have it in white. Okay, this is also nice. Pura. And these are all comfortable fabrics for kids. Very pretty. Look at that.
Printed shirts.
Then these ones, chania choli sets. Look at this. Cute pieces for kids. Color variations. And then these are two-piece sets.
Linen cotton with handwork.
With beautiful. A beautiful curation of jewelry by Prachi Shah. Look at these all statement pieces. And this is something. What work is it? Meenakari work,
yeah.
but with all pastel colors. Look at that. Then they are nice.
These are all piles.
These are all piles, and these are all anklets.
Leg cutter, yeah.
Leg cutters. Look at that. So one of my favorite pieces, I'm going to show you that. This is an ear cuff. And
These are regular wears.
regular wear every day. Then we have beautiful rings. Again, some pretty rings. These are studs. You can wear like every day. And then this is a bug
collection.
Bug
Yeah.
collection. That's right. Rating your best sellers.
Yeah, this is best.
Then something for wedding. Look at that. Again, this is all silver.
Yeah.
Pretty pieces. And we have more colors here. Look at this one. This is very pretty. She's wearing one. Lovely.